Rain. Rain is a lot of things to me. It's something that gives, takes away, brings people together, separates us, makes us think, makes us forget. But what is rain? It's just water, drops coming from the sky, coming from clouds. And I feel like as we get older, we tend to forget that there are some things in life that we have no power over. We can't change. And that's a beautiful thing, to be forced to sit back and observe something that, regardless of who you are and what you're doing, it just is. You have no say. And it just goes on, does what it has to do. And there are things in life that I've come to find are like rain. Sometimes there are things that we really hope happen sooner than later. And we just wait. And it happens, but it doesn't quite happen when we want it to. And there are other times where we really hope that it's not gonna rain, but it does. And we just have to accept that, the rain's here. What am I gonna do about it? And that's okay. Because in life all we have are these moments to sit and watch the raindrops fall. See all the little slugs and worms come out and bask in the wetness. And there are some things like rain that sometimes it seems like it's really good for us. It helps us grow and it clears out some of the junk that's been sitting in our lives for too long. And other times, rain causes a lot of loss and a lot of pain. Sometimes there's too much rain and it hurts. It really does. But what can you do? That's how it goes. It's all we have in this life are moments. Just one or two choices you can make that'll determine what happens next. And to be aware of that, to say, hey, I can't control everything, but I can control something. And I'm going to make it count. I'm going to make a difference today, right now, in this moment, And if it goes right, it goes right. And if it doesn't, well, oh well. I did my best. And that's good enough. As long as you try, it's always good enough.